Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed, plant content where we just do our best and try to grow our plants. So if that's something you can relate to, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today I'm going to show you something I got and set up plant-wise. I'm very excited about it. So I was cruising on Facebook Marketplace for some type of a shelf. A lot of the shelves in my sunroom were kind of doubled up with plants, and I just felt like it was too much. I don't like my plants to be like double rowed. I like them all to be like singular row, so I don't forget anything or miss anything. That's the goal anyway. I still miss stuff, but still, that's the plan. So I've been like looking for something, and I also got to like take into consideration like the windows and what do I have. So I have my kitchen window, and I'm like, that gets pretty good like afternoon light. I think like some succulent type plants would like it. I have a bunch of those. So I was on the prowl looking for a shelf that would fit it and look good, and I found it, guys, and I set it up, and I'm going to show you what the plants look like. And we're going to do like a little mini tour of the plants in my kitchen window. Just like a little warning, it's very cloudy today. I think it's either raining or possibly snowing. I don't really know. But I'm going to try my best. The lighting is going to change. It's just the lighting that it is. I'm going to set up a step stool for you and everything and try to give you the best views of these plants possible. So yeah, grab a drink, grab a snack, and come hang out. Oh, also, I did my makeup today. How does it look, guys? Yeah, I'm going out later, and I just did like the makeup part and like put on my jewelry and stuff, but like my clothes, I'm not ready. You guys do that too? You get like half ready in the morning and then half ready at night before you go? Anyway, let's go. Alrighty guys, so this is the window. Look at this shelf I got. I think I got it for $30 on Facebook Marketplace. I have no idea where it's from, but I'm sure if you like Google shelves, free floating shelves kind of, you could probably find it. So I guess I'll get the step stool out. We'll start with the top row, move down, and then I gotta move the microwave to show you the plants on the windowsill, because every surface must have a plant in this house. Alrighty. Alright, so we're gonna start in this little corner. So the sun does like shoot this way, so everything on this side gets a good amount of light. The other corner, I'm not sure yet. We're gonna just find out. We're also gonna find out how well the camera is at adjusting for the light. So we have a little type of crassula. This guy, I love this guy. He's very vocal about when he needs water. As you can see though on the bottom, sometimes I ignore that request, and that happens. We have a bunch of Haworthias. I love them. They're very low maintenance, and they haven't died yet, so that's always fun. I also really like these pots. Look at how cute. Alright, we got this guy. Try to get him in. I don't really know the names of any of these guys. This is my variegated jade plant, and when I first got it, it started like rotting right away. So I kind of like cut it up and just stuck it on the soil, and it's growing back, guys. Can you see? See all the little baby new leaves coming in? Maybe that's better. There you go. So I'm really excited. I'm excited for that guy to grow. Alright, so the next plant is this guy. I don't know the name of him. This is not a vanilla orchid. My brother thinks it's funny when he changes the tags in my plants. He thinks it's really funny. But this guy has such like a deep, like black looking leaf. I forget the name of it. It's like desert rose or something, or black rose plant or something, but it hasn't died. It's lost quite a few leaves, but apparently my sister has one, and so she's had it for a while, and it kind of, this is the growth pattern. It drops the lower leaves and just looks kind of like a palm tree. So we have that. We have these two, what are they called? Like watch glass Haworthias or something like that. They're really pretty. I love them. Really pretty. They're also in really cute pots. And then this guy, I haven't made a tag for him yet, but this is a Haworthia fasciata. And he looks like that. And then in the corner is just a jade plant. He's doing well for being in this corner, so we're keeping him there. Alright, jumping down. We have another Haworthia that we don't know the name of. Another one. It's more of a minty green though, if that helps with identifications. Another Haworthia. Ooh, the focus is, there we go. We have two Haworthias. These guys, no. These guys are different. They look different. But they're in cute pots. And this guy, we have a tag. This is the Haworthia limifolia. It's like a dark green with lightly colored banding, like a light white colored banding. And then this guy, I think might be the same as this guy, but I don't know. So I just potted them up differently. And we got this Haworthia we don't know the name of, but it looks cute in this pot. Another Haworthia, which has, or had, a flower spike. I think it is no longer with us, but maybe it'll come back. Who knows, right? So we have that. We have another Haworthia we don't know the name of. And then, oh no, we do know the name of this one. I have it. This is Haworthia Little Warty. Alright, we know this guy. Little Warty. And then we have the snake plant that Miles gave me. It's still in water. It's in this cute little face planter. And it's doing good here. So I'm keeping it in water. It's still alive, Miles. It's still alive. Alright, from there, we'll go down to here in this really cute little monster planter. Some type of succulent. I don't know, blue candlestick or something like that. We have my 3 Ripsalises that I don't know the name of. I think this one's like the mistletoe one. And yeah, that's all I know. Another random Haworthia. Another random Haworthia. And another random Haworthia. But they look so good. Then this is the shark tooth cactus epiphyte thingy-mabobber. And then we have the little watch chain succulent in here in this cute little monster pot. So cute. Alright, let me move some stuff to show you the windowsill. Alright, we're down here now. These plants also go up a little higher, and that's why they're on the sledge. They have room between the shelf unit and the window is like 6 inches, so there's that. We got, oh, this is really bad lighting, guys. I apologize, but I can't really fix it. There we go. We got that plant, some type of, it's got the purple edges. These two are some type of a button. I have the regular button, the variegated button. Oh, this lighting is really bad. Maybe if I really focus in. Alright, so we got variegated buttons, the regular buttons, looking really good. And then we have this guy still, it looks so bad, but there's a light, it's a purple edged and it's a lighter green leaf. If you know the names of those, let me know. And the pots they're in, really cute. And then over here is like this struggling type of buttons. I think this is the red edge button. And he's just struggling. So he's in there. But he's still alive. And then we have my aloe. Actually, I'll come back to him. We have my Christmas cactus. It has like a pinkish reddish flower. It's cute. And then my aloe goes all the way up. That is so backlit. But it's so hard to pull those guys out, and I'm not doing it. It's in a cute little planter. And there's actually a little pup. Let me see if I can show you. Right there. My finger's touching it. There's finally a little pup. This thing grew. It's over a foot tall. And it's finally putting out a pup. That's crazy. Alright, let me back up. Alright, so this is what the window looks like. Yeah, the lighting's a little crazy right now because it's really dark out. But it looks good. It looks really cute. I love it. Let me know in the comments below which plant of these is your favorite, and how do you guys display your little succulents. Alrighty guys, until next time, relax, peace out.